Are these budget earbuds a steal or just another tech graveyard resident? First, the unboxing experience is basic. You get the earbuds, a charging cable, and some extra ear tips. Nothing fancy, but functional. Let's see if the sound lives up to the hype. I put these through the ringer. Music quality is surprisingly decent for the price. Bass is present, though a bit muddy, and highs are clear enough. Call quality is acceptable in quiet environments, but struggles with background noise. The touch controls are hit or miss. Sometimes they work perfectly, other times they're frustratingly unresponsive. Expect a slight learning curve. Battery life is good, not amazing. I got about 4 hours of listening time on a single charge, with the case providing a few extra charges. The charging case itself feels a bit flimsy, though. So, are the Ronin R640 earbuds worth it? If you're on a tight budget and need a basic pair of earbuds for casual listening, they're a decent option. But, if you're an audiophile or need reliable call quality, you might want to invest in something a little more premium. Don't expect miracles, but they aren't a complete scam either.